Sunlight filters through the dense jungle canopy, illuminating a playful monkey as he swings through the vines. With boundless energy, the monkey spots something strange stuck to a tree trunk. A piece of bubble gum, glowing with an unnatural light. Intrigued, the monkey scurries over to the tree, peels the glowing gum from the bark. The monkey pops the glowing gum into his mouth, his eyes wide with curiosity. Pop! A giant ice cream cone appears out of thin air, landing with a comical splat on the jungle floor. Deep in the jungle, a monkey chews with delight, blowing bubbles of pure, unexpected magic. With each pop, the jungle transforms into a carnival of wonders. Tiny elephants materialize, squeaking as they dart into the lush undergrowth, adding to the enchantment. Bananas rain down from the sky, colorful balloons ascend, and a dancing robot appears, its silly jig fueling the monkey's laughter. In the jungle, a monkey chews, eyes gleaming with anticipation as a bubble of fate hangs in the balance. A colossal dinosaur bursts into existence, its roar shaking the very jungle as it stomps forward. Panic sets in as the monkey flees in terror, the monstrous roar echoing behind him. Chaos ensues when the dinosaur slips. A bubble traps it. A moment of slapstick relief washes over the scene. The monkey laughs, relief turning to surprise as a bubble forms around him, lifting him skyward. Next time, no more gum, the monkey cries, waving frantically as he floats away, a prisoner of his own desire.